Alim malungil litasil sil merkal mlusubim lomes oreng setial mo mesringi ya TMC miang al ais. May gagita igel isel abalwad al bok paskaura el al time. Sel top story breaking news rigid. Belur belawa matabdi diplomatic note ringira el al sil sel February 4th 2021. Etiang melu sel mura Foreign Affairs ra Republic of Fiji. Ilwasing mo closer sel embassy ra belaw ngara Suva Fiji. Effective ra February 28, 2021. Tiang albabira dira kalau ay silwa sa blur belawa mo terminate ra membership ringi sel Pacific Islands Forum. Tiang riu ra meeting ra Pacific Islands leader lingilil tingel Mr. Henry Puna, el former Prime Minister Cook Islands, el mo Secretary General ra PIF, our Pacific Micronesian leader sa lumaral wasing letemela Micronesia, el kukmong usel position ra Secretary General ra Pacific Islands Forum because of a previous chairman's agreement del milgat mokra dalong our Pacific leaders. Tiay del chairman's agreement tadim lakal honor ringi our Pacific leaders mantilo bata ringi result ra election del gel Mr. Gerald ra belura Marshall ang nga di kal half al other belaw dimla kal namlo halle mem tiang live kam kat